The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click Admin. There are a few places that have to have prerequisite data in order to use this feature. Click Maintenance. Click Data Maintenance. Scroll and click AddressCountry. On this table, verify the countries you need exist. Create them if not. If you would like to utilize HTS codes, also referred to as tariff codes, make sure you have them added on the HTSCode table. Now we are navigating to a part record where we want to apply the tariff taxes. Click Edit. Here you can choose a HTSCode. You can add a tariff description if desired. Click View. You can set a COO on a warehouse record as well. Click Update. You can also set a COO on a specific bin. This allows you to have a default but track the actual COO for any receipt and carry that through to tariffs. Next we will set up our tax authorities and tax groups. Click Admin. Click Maintenance. Click Tax Authorities. This is where the amount, based on flat rate or percent, is determined. You can link one or multiple tax authorities to a tax group. If you plan on using both HTSCode and country of origin to qualify parts for tariff charges, you will, likely, want to set up a tax authority for each HTS/COO combination you need/want to support. I have two created already showing the HTSCode. Click here to edit the tax authority. Here I have typed in the name of the tax authority as the HTSCode. Set the percentage here as well. Click Update. Click Maintenance. Click Tax Groups. Here I have a couple tax groups set up as well using the tax authorities we just looked at. To edit the tax group, click here. You can name the tax group here and add the tax authority corresponding to the tax. Then, you will need to set qualifiers, or rules, that determine when this tax group should be applied. First is country of origin. Then, in the tariff information, set the tariff code section to the HTS code you want to use. For PRT part, you can apply the tariff to a specific part or group of parts with a wildcard rule, e.g., PRT % or %123. Apply to non-taxable allows the tax group to apply to orders you have set as non-taxable. Otherwise, this would only apply if your customer/order was taxable, which will not always be the case for tariffs. Include components will pull the tax group for components of BOMs from the first level. Otherwise, Cetec ERP only looks at the sellable item on the order line. You can change the GL account this post to. You can use your tariff captured GL account rather than a defaulted tax expense account. Click Update. This order is a top-level assembly that I will include tariffs for the components as well. Here you can see a tax being applied to a component that has the tariff code and country of origin defined. This order is just components and selling from stock. Each of the components has the tax applied based on the settings we set up for the components. You are able to edit the tax after invoice if needed. Click Delete. This recalculates the total invoice amount. That's it, you're done.